Hi Anastasia, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Okay.
Sorry, my husband's playing soccer in the background.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Um, so let me share my screen so that I can give you some update. Okay, so basically about your landing page, who is on we need to update. Actually, I did not check your last document, so if you explain here, then would be good.
Okay, sounds good. I'm just gonna put in headphones.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, perfect. So,
Okay.
um, I'm gonna open up the file that I got from you. Unless you wanted to share it. Is that
Yeah, a little bit to the bottom. Okay. Yeah,
what
yeah,
time is it in your country?
yeah. I'm from Bangladesh.
What time is it there?
Yeah, right now at 12 a.m. Here is midnight right now. Where are you
Oh
from?
my God,
Okay.
Chicago. So it's 1 p.m. here during the day.
Okay. You are Andreas student, right?
Yes.
Okay, great, great. So he's teaching about therapy, all around about therapy, right? I just surprised about his strategy about the therapy thing. I don't know actually about the whole thing, but I know a little bit. So that's great. Actually,
Yeah.
like communication, consulting thing. So actually, in my country, I'm also consult about career. So career opportunities or something like that. So I know a little bit about the consultation. So from that thing, I know how to convert people to the landing page for the consultation. So this is how Andhra is giving lot of project.
Oh, cool. Working with that?
Yeah, sorry.
Do you like working with that?
Yeah, right.
That's awesome.
Okay. So let me share my screen so that I can give you some update about your last document. So let me share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, you see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So here is the last documents you sent to me, and okay, so this on. Okay, let me open. I was a little bit busy today. This is why I was checking late here, but no problem. All about. Okay, so I see this is a very little tax here. So actually, one thing I did not get you here. So can you please? Okay, so for the a smaller font. Okay, let me open the project here. Okay, no, this on. Yeah, this on. Okay, so this font actually need to be little bit smaller, right?
Yes. That would be great.
Okay, okay, got it. And then here is this on is okay, right?
Yeah, I think this one's okay.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, let me. This is our fast tags, right? So
This
need
is what?
fast tags. Here is first one.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
and then the next one is about kind of plus make okay, for the smaller picture about you, I think.
Yeah, because the picture is very small, very big. So we could make my pictures smaller, and then the font of the text bigger, so that is more noticeable.
So for that, I think it would not be fully perfect here because see, this is fully perfect with the photo height and text, I think it's equal with the same area is looks good. So when I will make it little smaller, then this area will be little big. Okay, I will try my best to make you make your picture smaller and font is little bit big. I will try my best and give you updates so that you can give me feedbacks. And the another one is here. So picture delete. Okay, for this section I have some misconceptions, so I would like to clarify here. And okay, so for this section we need this, right?
Yeah, we need this, but we don't need specialties for the anxiety page because it's a specialty itself. So we can delete the whole specialties
So
thing
okay,
and
so
just get to how to get started.
okay, so this one will be fully removed, this area, right?
Yeah, this
Okay,
one's not necessary for this landing page, but it is for the other one.
okay, cool, I got it. Okay, okay, so for this landing page this is not needed, but for the other landing pages we need, right? Yeah, we need to duplicate. Okay, so for this we can delete, but we will add it on the another pages, right?
Yeah, it's just these are not my specialties.
I know. Yeah, yeah. I know actually. This is, I just keep it as a template. So it will be faster for my work. Okay. Uh,
I'll just confirm with the template, because I'm pretty sure one of the templates did not even have what I offer. So let me just see for anxiety landing page. What did Andrew say?
yeah, 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 yeah. This one is here actually. Okay. Yeah, this one
Oh,
actually is
so
here. Yeah.
yeah, so just follow this format. So it doesn't even have what I offer. So we can delete that completely. And for the other anxiety page, just add what I have to offer and just keep it that way.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. I'm also following. So yeah, you and there's another student give me one project and I made them like this way. So this is why I kept as I thought that you may also need it. So that's why. But no problem. I'll remove and I'll follow this template. Okay, no problem. And our the next one is about this. So this is exactly the same, so I need to remove the header or replace this with this one, right?
Yeah, just how to get started with therapy, just the same as the template,
Okay,
the same as the other one that you just pulled up.
okay, I totally understand from this, and I will give you update about this as soon as possible. And my the next question or concern about your another document. So about this on here, I see this would be duplicated, right?
Yeah, so the pictures are pretty much the same, just the text is different. And this landing page does have what I offer. If you look at the template up there, it does have the yeah, the template.
Okay, okay, so template is here.
No, that's a different template. For the
Um,
other one-on-one counseling, it's a different type of a template.
okay, let me open. So here is the different template, right? This one?
Yes.
Okay.
This one has like one additional section of like my specialties.
Okay, so I see it's the okay, 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 okay. Got it. Okay, understand. So for this I got it. Okay, I'll give you update. So let me finish the first one first, and you gave me another mail. So here is what is it for this? So this is completely another landing page.
No, these are just I made a mistake, so I sent you
Oh,
two.
okay.
Yeah, so these two are just the same. It's just I made some grammar mistakes. So the last two that you open
Okay, so this one and this one is our actually landing page we are building, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
car.
that's what you opened, right?
Yeah.
Let
Mm.
me just confirm, but I'm pretty sure it is because
Okay,
I
you
just
can,
scrolled.
yeah, you can resend again by checking your documents, and you can resend again, then it could be best for us to clarify.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. So should I? I'll just resend them to you right now.
Yeah, sure. You must send right now.
But I'm pretty sure you did the correct one.
Yeah, you can recheck again and you can send me.
Okay, just give me a sec. I'll pull it up right now.
Sure.
Okay, sending them right now.
Okay, sure. I'm checking here. Oh, okay, I got the mail here. Okay, so I'm working on this landing page right now. Maybe,
Perfect.
yeah.
And there was only one thing that I also wanted to talk to you about. So
Hmm.
in one of the landing pages, I'll send you a screenshot. I think it would be it's all the way on at the end when it says schedule your free consultation.
Hmm.
If you scroll down, it just says schedule your free consultation and like the button.
Hmm.
We don't have to include anything extra there. So um I
Okay.
thought that
Okay, so I added pop-up here. Like if someone click and then pop-up will open. So I added here. So
yeah, so do you mind just scrolling all the way down? Check
um,
that out. Yeah, that looks really good. And then when you scroll down all the way, you know it says call me at 630 or click below to set up a consult. Well, maybe we can keep that. Tom, do you want to see that we should keep that? So this is how it looks like. Call
so
me at 630.
so this one you would like to remove, right?
Should we keep it or remove it?
Um.
And this is how ours looks like. So remove it.
Okay.
Okay, so let's remove it.
Okay. Sure. I'll remove them here. And but I think it will help you to get conversion because someone can focus on the, because when you added number, then it get consultation. Concentration is more than button like book your free consultation. It's good, but when you added your phone number, then it attract more. So I think we can keep,
Then let's
but
just keep it. Yeah, I like it. Let's keep it.
I think it's my personal suggestion, but no problem if you would like to remove. It's just one click to remove them, so no problem. But it's, yeah. So I think it can better help you to get conversion. because phone number is very helpful to the user because they can feel really, I think they can feel real. So when they can feel real, they can just call you, and then you get the customer from there. But when they book, somehow they click this button, but sometimes they are not filling this form, or they can get their mind out, or sometimes they are getting back from the page. So in 1 second you can get there, or you can take your students or something what your customer actually wants. So by the phone number you can take. So I think this is the best way to keep your phone number, and it will help you to get conversion better. It's my personal suggestions.
Okay,
Okay.
I would love to follow that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So
Yeah.
let's keep it. Do you think we should add, because everyone here is all about texting, do you think maybe we can add call me or text me at 630? What do you think?
For that,
Or just leave it as call me?
I think, yeah, we can. Okay, let me little bit research for this. Sometimes we see we keep the number, and on the other hand, sometimes we see call me, but call me is not feeling attract, because call me is like the book your free consultation. But when people see the number, then they can get extra attraction on the section. So because of, we can simply call you and we can get consultation free, it's very amazing. But when they don't see the number, then they can feel to call you or book consultation. So I think for putting the phone number is very helpful, I mean showing the phone number, so it's the helpful, I think. So
Okay, then let's just keep it the way it is. That's perfect.
yeah, I guess it's the perfect, because of on the other landing page we keep like this way, because we already handling this type of project more than 20, like the last 2 years I have working with Andro. So from this I think we can keep, right? So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your help. That looks great.
Yeah. Okay, so I think I can give you some update in tomorrow, and then we can follow up from the update, and you can give me some update from feedback. I mean, you can give me some feedback from the update, and then we can follow up after that.
Okay, thank you so much. How do you pronounce your name?
My name is Mahin. Actually, my name is Mahinur. You can call me Mahin, so it can be little bit a small name. Yeah, and yeah, right.
Thank
Okay.
you, Mahin. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Okay, that's great discussion with you. I hope we are calling you again and talking you again. So it's, yeah, today. Um, I would like to finish this conversation, and then we're talking again soon.
Okay, perfect. Talk to you
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.